This is Mr. Salemi with a quick video on how equations work. So we're going to work on equations. Okay, so let's start with a very simple equation, which I think you will agree with. 5 equals 5. Sorry about the handwriting. I think you have to admit this is true. And the thing about equations is if you do the same plus, minus, division, or subtraction, if you do the same operation on both sides of an equation, it stays true. So, for example, we could do 3 plus 5 equals 5 plus 3. We added the same number on both sides of the equation. And so it's still an equation, right? Or we could do 5 times 2 equals 5 times 2. And we multiply both sides by 2, and it stays the same. So that's the key to equations. Division is a little easier if you think of it this way. We can certainly start by saying 5 divided by 5 equals 5 divided by 5. So 1 equals 1. So that's true. But, we could say this. 5 times 1 over 5 equals 5 times 1 over 5. And this is really 5 over 1 times 1 over 5, and that gives us 1 equals 1 again. So that's what we expect. Now, a lot of times you're going to hear me say, oh, these cancel out. So what am I talking about when I say that? If I say 5 over 1 times 1 over 5 equals 5 over 1 times 1 over 5, the 5s this is really 5 over 5 equals 5 over 5, and which is equal to 1. This 5 here, and this 5 here, and this 5 here, and this 5 here make 5 over 5s. So they're really 1s. So they cancel out. You don't have to do the division. You can just say, oh, that cancels, that cancels, that cancels, that cancels. So you can say 5 equals 5, and then if you say divide both sides by 5, then we can say the 5s cancel. Okay, well, let's try something different. Let's try 10 equals 10, right? And let's do 10 over 5 equals 10 over 5. And we are going to say that 2 equals 2 is the result. Okay, that's true. So let's do this. Let's instead of 10, let's say 2 times 5 equals 2 times 5. And now let's divide both sides by 5. By 5 divided by 5. The 5s cancel out. 2 equals 2. So we can always do this thing that things cancel out. The other thing you can say is if 2 plus 5 equals 2 plus 5, you can just subtract off the 5s on both sides like that, and they cancel out. You can say 2, right? 2 plus 5 minus 5 equals 2 plus 5 minus 5, and those are 0, so they cancel out. And so this canceling out is very important. This is what we're going to do in a lot of different equations. So we can start to do this with numbers. We can say 2 times x equals 2 times x. Divide both sides by x, and we get 2 equals 2. So again, the x's have canceled out. Now, you can also do it this way. You can say 2 times x equals 2 times x, and just cancel them out here. And actually cancel these guys out, you get 1 equals 1, which is also true. So this division and canceling out is something that we're going to use a lot, and we're going to use it to move things around. And we'll talk more about this in future videos.